I'm
No,
so
it's
sorry.
okay, girl. You can come eat with me.
Oh, thanks. It's nice of you. Do you want to see how to eat like an animal?
Okay.
Part 1. Dog.
Really? Part 3, zebra! Oh god. Do you mind? Because apparently you don't. Is this really what amuses you? Part 4, monkey! Is this seriously what amuses you, girl? Part 5, ant. Oh my god, my food's gone. What the heck happened? Ugh, whatever. Oh my god, even more of it's gone. What the heck is going on? Even more of it's gone. My god. I'm gonna go insane. What's happening here? Even more of it is gone. I'm gonna go insane if all of it's gone by the end of this. Like, seriously. Really? Who keeps eating my food? Like, who would do that? Like, some stupid monkey or something? Or, like, something like that? It's gone. What is Allie gonna think when she comes back from the bathroom? Aww. Part 6, tiger! Where is Allie?
Oh, hi! What happened, dear?
There were tigers, there were monkeys, and so